Okay, this is a face shield. When you assemble it, this is what it looks like. But as you can see, this is the final step. So okay, one piece, another. There are two sides to it. This first piece, you just clip. So I'm in a rush, so it's taking me longer to do it. So this piece goes here, this goes here, like this. This one side done. You can see what it looks like. Now, 1, 2, 1 here. And as you assemble it, you can see the space over here, which I thought would be difficult with my glasses. That's it. So 1, 2, and it was very windy today, so this thing counts. So you can just put a tape over here, tape over there, just to hold it. And 1, 2. Yeah, in the background, what you hear is that's it. So when it's assembled, just call it a visor or a face shield. It serves its purpose, and when you put it on, I'll show you in a minute. Okay, and when you do it, this is what it looks like. It's like a poor version of Cobra Commander.